And these books are great.
Oh,
and we
I know.
have these books for the distributors again because there's so much to, and our labels can't take it all.
Yeah.
But, being bio-grown,
There's very few products that have got the Bio-Grow certification.
Well, this bio-grow, the brown one's our registration.
Mm-hmm.
The green one means that we've been accredited for 15 years.
Wow.
We just got accredited again this year. It was 19 years.
Wow.
So next year will be 20
went straight out
years.
with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
So it's amazing.
Yeah.
I think this product has been a little bit ahead of its time.
Yeah. Oh, I agree.
Yeah. Very organic and
Yeah.
very... And I mean, I used an organic product years ago and it didn't really work for me, and it was like,
Yeah.
whatever.
Well, it kind of was like, oh, well, let's all go down the green line, but if it doesn't work, people just change back.
Yeah, because you're paying money. You want something to work, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So next year will be 20 years for bio-grow.
Wow.
So that's cool.
Yep.
And eco-choice, we've just had that accredited again.
Yep.
And we've 7 years.
That's amazing.
Of eco-choice.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's great.
Yep.
And then, yes, the multi-purpose, that's the food one. That's
no fragrance.
food-proof, no fragrance.
Yep.
Yep. They've been tested in the laboratories for the E. coli, Staphylococcus vector. And the Bio-Zyme cleaner for coronavirus and the multi for neurovirus. So they've been both tested for those viruses.
Okay. Yep.
They cost, bacteria testing doesn't cost that much.
Yep.
A couple of hundred, but the virus testing is thousands.
I would imagine, because they can't get that wrong. They've got to really test it properly.
And we were asked to test something for some flu that's going to be coming for birds.
Oh, the bird flu, yes. We heard yesterday that there's going to be it.
But you can't test prior to that.
Oh, okay, because we haven't got the...
We forgot it.
No, of course.
And
you don't want to bring it in just for that.
I know. And all the plastic is recyclable number 2 plastic. It has been forever.
Yep.
And MPI, Ministry of Primary Industries, approved. So the cleaner and the industrial are C32, and the multi-purpose is the C31. So that's no fragrance food.
Right.
approved
So
there.
that's the one that you would recommend for a restaurant, cafe, in the kitchen area.
Yeah, on their food processing. And because it's a cleaner sanitizer, it'll clean and sanitize while they're doing it. But then if they want to do the 2-step, they need to do sanitize it on their own. We've got how to do the 2-step sanitizer. You clean and sanitize, then you go back over it, clean and sanitize, and you wipe it off. It's not one that you just leave.
Oh, okay, so you don't need to leave it for a specific time?
15 minutes contact time it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's quite a long time. So a lot of people are using this for the cleaner and then getting those sprays that you just spray
like
over.
No ring sanitizer.
No ring sanitizer. Go from there.
Yeah, but in theory you can just use this for both. You just have to leave it for 15 minutes and then wipe it off.
Yeah. And for that sanitising, for the council.
Yeah, not for the cleaning,
sanitising.
it's just the sanitising.
Yeah. And I've used that where they were using another product on a big stainless steel kitchen island, and went in with that, and I said, I don't know if this will take that off because and we did a corner and it was just like come up like brand new.
Wow.
Like,
just doing the corner, so that just shows.
And I did the corner. I had to do the corner 3 times to cut through what was on there.
So whatever they were using wasn't working.
No, it was building up, and then it was all that. You could see all the white.
Yeah.
And then we went out into the restaurant and the sun was shining, and I said, oh, sorry. And it was all, and again, 3 times. So it was cutting through 3 times to get the product off, and then it was great.
Because there's nothing worse when you go to a cafe and a sticky table. Oh, I hate the sticky table. You're just like, oh no. You don't want to put your bag down. You don't
and they always say that's too much product, eh? When it's sticky.
Well, I guess, Or I always thought it was more that they were just not cleaning it properly, the wrong product.
A bit of that too.
Yeah.
Both. It's
Well, that's true, because if you use too much product on the floors, they're sticky, aren't they? So,
Yeah, and that's how we know that the Bio-Zyme, if there's too much on the floors, because most floors can take 60 mils, but some can't to a litre.
Yeah.
So I always say if it's sticky, wash it off a couple of times with the water, and then knock it down to 30 mils.
Right.
You know,
Which of course is saving.
Yeah. So
Yep.
all the way around.
Yeah.
And then ISO 9001, so we're under quality management, manufacturers instructions and systems there, and it's made in Christchurch.
Yes, New Zealand made. That's cool. It's not, and it's natural enzymes as well, isn't it?
Well, it produces its own enzymes.
Yeah,
So there's no genetically modified enzymes have gone in there. And we're getting so many web inquiries now saying, we've got enzymes, do you want to buy enzymes?
No,
You know, because it's by,
Yep.
But no, and that's the other thing.
So you grow your own enzymes there, like to put
No,
in?
when it's in that fermentation process of it.
So it's creating.
Its own.
So the whole enzyme, everything is produced here. That's,
Yeah.